Welcome to Sumitomo Drive Technologies, your gateway to innovation. Our commitment to quality is evident in every step of our process, customer service to engineering to production and post-sale support. Our satisfied customers from various industries can attest to the Sumitomo Drive Technologies difference. Continuing the trend of operational excellence is Lufkin's Gears Manufacturing and Services, our newest center of excellence in Lufkin, Texas. Acquired in 2019, the facility handles gear manufacturing, gearbox repairs, and reverse engineering. This 32,000 square foot center is equipped with an impressive 1,000-ton press, a 1,000 horsepower testing motor, and a crane that can handle a staggering 60 tons with a hook height of 41 feet. At Sumitomo Drive Technologies, we take pride in providing the best care for your complex needs. From building robust gearboxes to retrofitting the perfect unit for you to handling all of your gearbox repair needs, you can count on us. Contact us today and let's work together to refurbish and repair your gearboxes and parts, driving your business towards continued success.